Hello, hello! In this video, we'll be explaining one way to network in your job search. Specifically, we'll cover how to find new contacts whose work relates to your target job, and how to ask them for what are called informational interviews. This is an effective networking approach for office jobs or anywhere where the employees get corporate email addresses. Keep in mind that, as with many networking strategies, this technique emphasizes finding a job that is a good fit, but it may not be the fastest way to find your next job. This video will show you how to find a new contact, how to get their contact information, how to contact them, and how to follow up. We're going to start by searching through LinkedIn profiles for new contacts. It's actually easiest to do this on Google. Simply go to the Google homepage, type in the job title that you're looking for, the location that you're looking for, use site:linkedin.com to limit your search to just that site, and do -jobs to exclude job description, and you'll see a large number of profiles that contain the job and location that you're looking for. From here you can review them to see contacts that look particularly interesting. Once you've selected a contact, you'll want to find their work email address. For this example, we've randomly selected Sarah Lewis at Connolly Partners. First, we need to find the website name for the company. A quick Google search will show that the company's website is at connollypartners.com. Then we search for connollypartners.com and the word email. In the results, without even having to click on anything, we can figure out this company's email address follows the format first initial, last name. That means the email address for Sarah Lewis should be slewis at connollypartners.com. We can contact them simply by selecting Write New Email from the 44-score menu. There is already a template for informational interviews. We just plug in their information. So email address, their name, their title, and their organization. If possible, add a sentence mentioning something they might find interesting about you, such as having worked in a similar role, or perhaps you went to the same college as them. You'll also want to write an enticing subject line. For this example, let's go with, "Hello from a fellow brand manager in Boston." Then click Send. Right after sending the email, 44score will prompt you to schedule a follow-up in 3 business days. We recommend doing this. A lot of contacts are willing to help, but will forget to respond to you unless you send a friendly reminder. If you haven't already set it up, this is also a good time to link 44score with your email account so it can automatically track replies. Let's say they haven't responded. On the 3rd business day, you will get a morning email from 44score. Clicking the link will take you to a page where you can quickly send a follow-up message. Good news! The new contact wrote back. It's important not to miss this opportunity, so 44score will automatically replace your follow-up reminder with a new one to make sure you write back to them within 1 business day. Your sensible goal for the informational interview is to find out what it's like working that person's role at their organization. Intend the conversation to be a friendly information sharing between professionals. Asking them for a job outright would probably ruin the mood. It's not necessary, because the fact that you're curious about what it is like working at another company indicates that you're open for a new job. A couple easy questions to ask are, what all do you do at your organization? And how did you end up in your current position? You should expect that the conversation will eventually turn around, and they'll ask about you, so be prepared to concisely describe yourself. Unless the conversation leads in another direction, it can be good to end by asking, now that they understand where you're coming from, if they can recommend anyone you should speak to, or if there are any industry events that they would recommend. This video shows one way you can use 44Score to organize your job search. 44Score is a website that helps job seekers keep track of submitted applications, networking, and their to-do list. You can sign up for free at 44score.com.